Calls of the day. We're going to start with Uber today. There's the stock. Well, this thing's been on a run, right? Price target raised to 70 from 60, reiterated by BTIG. Brad Gerstner on yesterday just continues to love this stock. He said the competitive moat for this company is wider than it's ever been. You bought a little bit more yesterday.
I did. And partly take advantage of what I think will be a rally into the year end. I think this is participate, but also the fundamentals are great. I just came back from almost 2 weeks in Europe. And Uber in Paris, Uber in London, wherever you go, it is the dominant player. And guess what? Prices are going up, but they're not up so high that it removes the convenience equation of it. So, plus management is just phenomenal. Came in, he said, this is what I'm going to do. That's what he did. And then he did some more. So I'm not going to tell you it's cheap on today's numbers. Of course it's not. But where it is cheap, it's cheap on the growth. So I've got EBITDA that's going to grow, cash flow, 50% next year. I've got earnings that are growing dramatically. I've got revenue that's growing. So for me, it's sort of like a great stock to play with a unique company. I mean, you've got this and Lyft, and clearly, you know, they're outperforming Lyft.
All right, let's do Alibaba, downgraded today to equal weight. That's from overweight. Morgan Stanley price target goes to 90 from 110. We bring it up in part because Rob Sechin, you bought more Baba today.
Indeed. So we increased the weight in our international quality portfolio. It's an underrated grower at a reasonable price. You know, it's a bit of a turnaround story on the state of the Chinese consumers. But, you know, when you're starting to see sales reaccelerate, you have a dominant e-commerce market share, you have an underappreciated iCloud business, you have mid-teens free cash flow yield, and it's cheap. It trades at a 30% discount to its average, historical average, and a huge discount to its U.S. peers. And so we thought it's a good day to add to the position.
Okay, got a call today as well. We'll stay with you, Rob, because I got a call today on J&J, which was upgraded over at UBS. Price target goes to 180 from 167. J&J's up, having a nice day today, too. You own that.
I've owned it for a long time. We own it in our dividend portfolio. It's a small position. The company gives a decent 3% dividend yield, trades at 15 times forward, which makes it more interesting, and the expectations are low. In addition, I think you could see healthcare perform in 24, and this company is refocusing on its core pharma business.
So, Jimmy, how about Boeing, which is up 23% over the last month? Initiated today a buy at Stifel. They go 265. Stock's at 233.
Yep.
Target raised to 300 at Baird.
I think these targets are very feasible as long as there's no operational mishaps. I mean, go back a few months, mid-August, the stock was at 243. We know what happened after that. They had a production issue on the 737 MAX with the aft bulkhead. Stock went down to 180. Now, it's recovered that, and there's a lot of good things going on at Boeing, whether it's the order book, the potential for China to come back, production increasing. As long as those stars continue to stay aligned and there are no operational mishaps, I think it will continue to go higher than that 243 that we saw in August. Probably before the end of the year, and get to those targets early in 2024.
Weiss?
Very well could happen. I mean, it's just a question, is management going to not be an obstacle to getting there? And to me, that's been the issue with the stock. So that's why I continue to stay away. I mean, it's duopoly. Duopoly hasn't worked great, and the stock's still far below where it was at its peak, yet fundamentals, you could argue, are extremely strong, stronger than they were at the last peak for the stock.
Great buying opportunity here because it will go back to that peak at some point. However, this is a great debate. Look, if you're in Steve's camp and you think there's a recession coming, do not buy Boeing, okay? If you're in my camp and you don't think there's a recession coming, boy, it's a good stock here.
But he's saying not that. In fact, exactly. It's a management issue in his mind, which, let's be honest, you've had your own concerns about that in periods of time over the last few years.
Yeah, and when I say operational mishaps, you can substitute management for that. I mean, that is, execution is all on management. That's not, you know, what the economy does. All that said, and I have apologized for, I got really hot about Mr. Calhoun. He has a huge task ahead of him. There's a decades-long culture of badness, just bad behavior at Boeing. I think he's doing actually a pretty good job of correcting that, but it takes time.
He was chairman of the board at one point. during that decade.
I don't want to debate that anymore. Anyway, Delta Airlines, top pick at Cowen. Price target 49, Jimmy.
Yeah, stock trades at a 5.8 times forward multiple. This stock, as many of the stocks I was talking about earlier, this stock is generating a lot of free cash flow. That's what the analyst sees here. What are they doing with it? They're paying down debt. That's incredibly smart, because if I'm wrong and there is a recession, and maybe it's even worse than any of us expect, you want Delta to have paid down the debt that's coming due in the next 2 years so they can get through that recession. They've got the cash flow to do it. Stock multiple should be closer to 8. That's a 33% gain from here, gets to the analyst target.